Back in SoCal. So of course we had to check this spot out in Santa Clarita. Dang, summer has started. Holy cow, I rarely ever see this place this packed. What's going on right here? What's going on right here? 50 bucks for a Brunson jersey, 50 bucks. This is a small though. I did text my brother-in-law. I think it might be too small for him. I think he wears a medium. $40. $40 for AD jersey. He's $40 freaking dollars for AD jerseys. Holy cow. Dude got Kawhi jerseys right here. $40 for those. They got smalls. They got black. Oh, these are all smalls too. I thought these were bigger. The hood got PG jerseys. These are all smalls as well. Yeah, they're all small. Wait, I see this one back here. What's up with this? It'd be like a quadruple XL. 2XL right here. Aztecs. That's San Diego State? That's San Diego State? I don't know. So all the Kawhi Leonards, all the PGs, they're all smalls and they're all 40 bucks. And then got these kids. That's a pretty dope fleece though. USA fleece jacket right here. $20 for the boys. All right, I did text my brother-in-law. We're throwing these back. He said nah. He said nah. Looking for some running shoes. Actually, some racing shoes for one of my boys. And it does look like they're reorganizing this to running stuff right here. Some of the workout stuff. Casuals right here. And then basketball to the right. These are all the size 8s. All right, I've been spending like the last 10 minutes going in the women's section. Look at this. Look at this. Which ones are these? I don't remember which. These pawn shop ones, I think. Yeah, these are the pawn shop ones. SB Dunks. These are crazy. Just see if they've been worn. They've been a little worn off right here because this is the one I believe you can scratch off the top layer. Yeah, they started scratching the top right there. That's kind of jacked up. Like, why would you do that? If you're gonna return the shoe, why would you start scratching off the top? Got the metal aglets right there and stuff like that. These are size 8.5. These are dope. Does come with extra laces as well. Pawn Shop Dunk SBs. They'll go for under retail $110 for those. And this is the one I'm looking for. This is the one I'm looking for from one of my boys. Alpha Fly or Vaporfly Next Percent 3s. I'll take the 2s. I'll take the 1s. I don't care, man. But $100. I think he needs a size 8 though. I think he needs size 8. 8.5 does not work. Son of a monkey. I did talk to my buddy and yeah, these are too big for him. God dang it. Dang it. Got some Zoom Generations going for $150. Pennies going for $80. Prices are way up and down here. Something's way high, something's way low. Dude got these. These are $100. Air Zoom Generations. Indoor soccer cleats. This is the type of stuff I was looking for earlier this year. My kid's done with soccer now. Look at this. Freaking $25 for those. Dude got some Cortezes. 50 bucks, okay. One cheaper ones. Then they got Dunks, 100. Terminators going for 60. Roshi's at 40. We've seen those cheaper at the regular stores. Moving up in size to the 9s. Air Max Plus, a cold wall collab. Going for way too much. Way too much. Got the little squares that a cold wall has on everything. 180. 180. Holy cow. ISPA mocks right here going for way too much as well. These are just awful looking. Get the homeless look right here, go for 80. LeBron 2s right here for 100. Billie Eilish, another collab right here. Billie Eilish Air Force One. These ain't bad. Not too bad. 110 for those. We'll get to the 10s in a bit. I'm checking out some random stuff. Got some Zion backpacks right here for the kiddos. 25 bucks. And this is the time to get a backpack. Don't wait till school starts because everything's going to be full price. Mini duffel bag? It's like a extra mini duffel bag. What the hell? I see a price tag on it. Got these backpacks going for 20. No other backpacks though. Dang it. I need to find something over the summer, yo. Jordan shirt right here. This is hella interesting. This is a Jordan flight shirt. $50. Normally $130 for those. Nike pullovers with super heavy duty zippers and stuff, $40 for those. Tech fleece sweats right here, $60. These are normally over $100. Got this cargo pants. What's up with this cargo pants right here? $40 for these, $32.30. And Nike cargo usually goes for way more than that. Got some sweats right here. These are nice and thick, and no price tag on it. Hella bright. And then we've seen this, the Thermafit Advanced, $60 right here. I feel like we saw them a lot more expensive at the regular factory stores. And look at this. It shows the fit. I guess that's oversized on the right, and then that's super tight on the left. It's right in the middle. Okay. Cargo pants right here. Has a red tag on it. What the hell that means? But $40. Looks like SB, but it's not. And a lot of these tech fleece go for $60. Different colors, different sizes. Ooh, this one's $30. That's the cheapest. Oh, this isn't tech fleece. Oh, this is tech fleece. Damn, that's the cheapest we've ever seen them. Holy cow! So this color's just not moving. Color's not moving. Cargo sweats right here going for $30. Got like some track pants. Dry fit track pants going for $30. If you don't mind buying off season, best time to buy stuff. In my opinion, save all kinds of money. $30 for these slacks right here. No, their slacks go for a lot more than that. The Nike golf slacks. Back in the size 10s. Air Zoom GT Jump 2s going for $80. Zoom Freak 5 bread colorway go for $60. Luka 2s going for $60. I was like, what is this? Jordan 1 low golf right here. These are Obsidian. Huh, never seen that one. I don't think I've ever seen that. Okay. $120 for those. GT Cut 3s down to $80. Moving up to the 10.5. Still got retro dunks right here going for $100. Got a reefer box. $140 for those. Got some mid crafts right here going for $110. Got some Pegasus 36, the Gayukasu ones. Haven't seen these in a while. $130 for those still. Tired of y'all coming out with all these dope Jordans in these golf, man. Do that many people wear Jordans for golf? Damn, I know golf fools are willing to pay that premium. $100 for those. These are size 8 though. These Air Max 90s go for $60. Wow, that's so cheap. Is that a golf? Oh, that's a Air Max 90 Golf. Pegasus 89s right here with all that recycled plastic or something. $110 for those. Jordan 1 High OGs going for way too much at $150. OG GT Jumps, $100. MMW slides right here, $150 for some slides. Are you serious? What the hell? What the hell? Oh, I was seeing if someone's buying stuff at Ross and then trying to return here. Nah. That's where I found it. More of these Billie Eilish collabs, $110 for those in the size 11. Let's see what these Jordan 1 High OGs are going for. This is a women's colorway, first of all. This guy was looking at it. $75? $75 for these bad boys. Holy cow. Holy cow, $75. These are size 10. Size 10 men's right here. Size 11.5 women's. Holy cow. Holy cow. That's over $100 off. That's why we come to the Nike clearance store. That's why we do it. That's why we go to different outlets. Wow. Wow. I can't grab them, dude. Can't grab them. I might get the upcoming Kobe, so I'm gonna have to chill. I need to chill on impulse buys like that, man. Got Air Force One premiums right here going for $120. Does have that nice textured leather. Better than the regulars. Better than the OG stuff. Who's AFC Richmond? I don't know. $25 for their hoodies though. Got this, what is like a turtleneck looking thing right here. It is a sweatshirt, kind of weird looking, 50 bucks. Tech fleece hoodie right here, down to $50. This is a large. Okay. A work shirt right here that you can top up right here if you want to look like a vato. $40 for this one. This just looks out of place. What the hell? Golden State Warriors hoodie right here, double XL, $30. $30 if that's a Lakers. Probably would have to take it. Is there anything on the back? So it's Golden State on the back. Yep, that's dope. Not a Golden State fan though, so that's chilling. $15. $75 down to 15 bucks. Chargers hoodie right here. This is a dry fit. Wow. They got it in medium as well. $15, yo. Wow. Wow. Got this faux sweater looking thing right here. $30 for this. That's the cheapest we've seen that one. We got this hoodie right here. Really, really nice material. This is one of their premium things. ThermaFit has one of these right here. The Axis Performance System. No price tag on it though, man. No price tag. This material is just so nice. Oh my goodness. I need one of these. Right, there's one right here. Let me see. $60. $60. This is hella nice. Maybe if I find one midsummer, maybe the price will go down. That's really nice material. They got one here, navy as well. Pretty much the exact same thing. Yeah, I'm definitely a fan of that. Poofy jacket right here, go for $100. Normally $330. And then is that like a pea coat? Trench coat? Sports coat? I don't know. But it is tech fleece right here, $80. Holy cow. These are going down. They're going down, dude. Do got these right here, Prestos. Go for $110. They got multiple here, multiple and multiple. Airspan 2s, $50 for these. Damn, really seeing a lot of these here. As well as the Just Forces, been seeing these in every size. Those are down to $60. These originally started at $200. Air Max 1s right here, $140 still. Holy cow. Got some Hirachis right here. If you can find a Nike by you will find them for a hell of a steal. $80 for these bad boys. These retail for well over $100. These look taller than the normal ones. One of these Air Max 90 Golf going for $60 being given away. Cosmic Unities go for $80. Finding one of these would be fire. The price is a little bit high though. $29.99. These are the Alpha Fly Next Percents. These are like slightly better than the Vapor Flies, and it's crazy. The Vapor Flies are $100. Alpha Fly here is $230. Wow. Last one for this size, Air Max 97s, 12.5, going for $80. Gore-Tex Air Max 90s, $80 as well. Show off what I'm wearing today. LeBron 9 Watch the Thrones. Huge fan of these. I think I got these used. I think I got them used for like $100. Was not willing to pay. I think they were going for like $300 or something like that a while back. I think they've chilled now. The Mitchell and S Lakers shorts. Got them for hella cheap. T-shirt. Size 13 right here. Got 6 rings, going for $80. The hell is this? Oh, another one of these ISPs, go for $80. 2090s, haven't seen these in a while, go for $80. Haven't seen these in a long time. Aren't these the Serena Williams? And this is even in the wrong section and stuff like that. But yeah, this is a size 8. This is a size 8 women, so 6.5, go for $70. Look at this size 14 right here. Look at this, SB Dunks. SB Dunk size 14. Holy crap. These are $90 too. So $35 off. That is dope. That's dope. These just came out too. Holy crap. SB Dunk. Wow. Size 14. Dude got these going for $100 right here. Some trail runners. $40 for these bad boys right here. Got these in a size 14 as well. Man, Big Feet King, y'all got some heat today. Holy crap. $110 for these. Look at this 16-year-old next to me, and he's already a size 14. 16. Holy crap. $40 for these. $15 for these football cleats right here. Size 14. $15. Wow. And they got a few like crazy sizes right here. Size 15. $150. Checking the women's sizes, the huge sizes over here. And I did come by here earlier. Look at this. Size 11, 9.5. And you won't believe the freaking price. These are the Infinity Run 4s. Look at this. $40. 40 freaking dollars. These are size 9.5. And I'm gonna be honest, like some people have said, hey, the women's shoes tend to be more narrow. I don't know, I've bought stuff like this and I haven't really had any issues, and I have wide feet. But yeah, $40, holy cow. I think those fit a little big, a little loose. I called my kiddo, and 9.5 too big for him for that shoe. He usually wears a 9.5 on other stuff. Size 12 Jordan 2s right here, $70. What these dunks talking about? What they talk about with these dunks? Next Nature dunks right here, $90. Dolphins colorway, size 12. Remember, difference between women's and men's, 1.5 sizes for Nike. I think it's 1 size for Adidas. But yeah, Jordan 1 mid right here, $50, size 11. Cortez's right here, $50. Yo, $50, so cheap. We're back to Cortez's being hella cheap. Jordan 1 high women's right here, $130. Oh, yo. They had my season. They had my size, maybe. But 150 is a little bit high, though. 150. Dugat. What was the color? I forgot what color it is. Rust pink or something? I don't remember the exact colorway. Material on these is nice. Not like crazy nice, but nice. Nice. You know? Not bad. Crazy finding these here. $150, so below retail. That's what's up. Checking more the regular size 8 women's, $50 for the Blazers. Cortez also going for $50. Gamma Forces, a nice little alternative to the dunks, going for $50. Jordan Craft Lows right here, $60. Jordan 2s, $140. Nylon Cortezes, more of an OG vibe, go for $69.99. Gamma Trails go for $80. Invincible Run Flyknit 3s, $80. $80. Oh my goodness, this is what I'm looking for my kiddo or myself. But $80, that might be one of the cheapest we've seen those. Holy cow. We say Reefer's cheaper, but I'm talking about the clearance store. Size 11.5. Look at this. Infinity Run Flyknit 4s right here. And look at this, dude. $35. And these look wide, dude. These do not look any more narrow than the men's. I don't see it. I just don't see it. These look wide. Oh, these are 4Ys, that's why. 4Ys, $35. That is my size. Man, I would buy all this stuff. I need to stop. Pretty dope trip. I might have to come here more often because I'm trying to find those racing shoes for one of my boys. But yeah, we found Jordan. We found the Jordan 1s in the women's. We found Jordans in the men's. We found some steals, man. We found those Dunk SBs. We found 2 pair of Dunk SBs. The big ones and the little ones, lows, highs. A lot of good stuff. Definitely worth stopping by. Pricing definitely up and down. Some stuff a little bit cheaper than retail. Some stuff like way cheaper. So it kind of just depends. Definitely worth stopping. If you guys want to stop by, y'all know where it is. Make sure you guys check the description. I do have the address and stuff. But I think we're done. Got plenty coming. See y'all. Damn, someone's parent put that on their car. My kid would be like, man, I'm not driving, dude. I'm not driving today. I'm not driving. I'm gonna have to show this to my kid. That's hilarious.